This machine uses touch screen operation, easy to operation. Install feeding paper platform. Install name card box. Flip the switch. Press and hold the +key to select the language mode. Measure the most front length of the paper. Click on the screen to adjust the data accordingly. Press End to exit after adjustment. Measure the card width or directly to the stencil length. Input card width. The bleed situation adjustment is the size between the two rows. Click on the screen to adjust the data accordingly. Measure the center of the paper. Make a mark. Align the center of the paper with the center of the feed platform. Adjust the left and right positioning blocks. Front-end detection single form feed. Click Start on the screen or press the Start key on the keyboard to enter the automatic cutting state. Front-end detection contain form feed. Enter the corresponding card data. Adjust for front-end detection continue form feed. Set the number of cuts